Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily download and update the BIOS driver for a Dell computer. To begin, open your browser and type Dell and hit enter. The first result should be www.dell.com. You want to click on drivers and downloads. As a next step, you want to type your computer's model. In my case is 5414 rugged. I will click on it and we'll need to wait a few seconds. After that, we'll be offered the option to download drivers manually or via automatic updates. So as a next step, you want to click on select drivers manually, and here you need to select the correct operating system. Some computers might support Windows 11 and for some it might not support Windows 11. However, the Windows 10 will do the work. So if you have Windows 8 or Windows 7, install the appropriate one. If you have Windows 11, then Windows 10 one should be fine for you. As a next step, we want to scroll down and look for BIOS. If you don't see them on the critical drivers, you can click on the list recommended drivers and you should see BIOS. Tick the BIOS and here on the right, click download selected. You will need to wait a few seconds, up to 2 minutes, until the BIOS is completely downloaded. And after that, you can proceed with the installation as usual. So we can click on it, double click as usual. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this app to make changes to your computer. You can go ahead and click yes and wait for a few seconds. And then the installation process should begin for the BIOS. You may find yourself waiting a little bit longer in case your computer is performing in the same time updates, but normally a little window should pop up. At this stage, you need just to click I accept the agreement. Next, your window might look a little bit different than mine. You can select install all, and after that, you will just need to restart and everything should be fine. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.